Today I will be filming a video on how to replace the center console latch on a second generation Mazda 3. I've seen a lot of video guides for how to do this on, CX-5 models or newer Mazda 3s, but not for the older second generation 2010 to 2013 Mazda 3. So, or it might be 2014, I'm not sure. I'll verify that and put it in the description. But anyway, the problem I'm having here is there's no latch. This isn't latching. So as you can see, there's a little hole right here that a latch is supposed to go through. But if you look at this latch right here, you'll see that this part is broken. So I've got the offending piece right here. That's supposed to stick right there. And as you can see, you can probably tell, I've tried to glue this a few times. I've used several different kinds of glue. I've had it dry different times, and it just, this piece, it breaks and it doesn't repair. So what I need to do is I need to replace, actually no, there we go. Replace this piece with one that actually has an intact latch. And I'll put the part number for this in the description as well as from where I got it. They do sell it on Amazon. I've generally found it cheaper though on an actual Mazda parts site. So you want to start by taking this out. Now, at first I thought I was going to have to take off this front part or pull this part out or take out the center console, and it's very simple. It's just there's no videos on how to do it online. So this thing, I'm going to try to get down in there to show you. This thing you can actually pull out, this piece. So what you want to do is, let's see. So if you can see here, there's a little spring, and it's right there on the right. You can actually see this with the replacement part. There's a little part of the spring that's on the right. And so what you want to do is you want to push this way towards that spring. Just push that way on the latch itself, and then it will come out. See, this part right here came out of there. And then you'll have to do a little bit of finagling. I found you actually have to pull this downwards, and I'll do a little bit of finagling. There we go. And then that will come right out. Then we take the new one. We line up this little spring, make sure it goes in the right place. I'll do it in the reverse. So we want to get this side in first, and then this side. So I've got it in there. There we go. And boom. It's as simple as that. And now I can close this. It clicks. I can't just pull it up anymore. It doesn't break. So there you go. So hope this video helped. If there's anything else I can clarify, let me know. But yeah, there's how to replace an old broken Mazda 3 second generation center console latch.